What is up, gamers? Today I am going to tell you how to build a Danger Thunder Dragon deck. So firstly, Thunder Dragon, you just slap them in, go to slapping them dark, raw, you just mix them in. But first you gotta add the seasoning, add some dangers to apply the flavor, mix them in. Dangers add spice to this list because they always give a kick. It helps in the palate. And then obviously you gotta throw in some standard dragon stuff. There's salt and pepper, and then some whatever. Just throw in some dragon stuff, mix it in even more. You might want to get like a spoon or something. And then next we throw in some Crusaders. This is some pepper, some nice water to cool it down, and then the rest in. Again, make sure you mix it in more. Gotta make sure every hand's good. Gotta make sure you have a dissatisfied meal. And then to top it off, you sprinkle in some Seekers Light. And now, what do you do after that? Well, you get a bowl, a mixing bowl, and you start throwing them in here. And then you get a spoon and you try not to spread it. If it does, whatever, nobody's gonna complain. It's gonna be a nice tasty meal. And then after that, you've got to throw in an extra deck, obviously. There's a little taster to go with the meal, so you throw in, Guard Dragon, Colossus, and you make sure to mix those in because you mix your side in with your main meal. And that's how you're meant to cook your Danger Thunder deck. Now obviously if you're cooking it at home, you would be using an oven as well. Unfortunately, I was not able to hook up the camera to sort of get a good view of the oven, but trust me, it would taste really nice if you were to cook it in an oven. That's it for today, gamers. I have taught you on how to make the best Danger Thunder list. It's going to be tasty for everyone. Everyone will enjoy it. And I will see you next time.